Hello friends, so today we will understand map method in JavaScript. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before the starting video, a small request to you guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to never miss any updates. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have created this index.html. Now let me create another JavaScript file which is map.js and link with this HTML file. Let me console this. Now I am going to open in live server, so click on this go live. So here you can see that we have successfully shown map method in JavaScript. So let's now see how map method work in JavaScript. So as usually we know, map method is a array method. So I am going to create this array. Const my array is equal to I have created this one array. So I want to display this array items one by one, so we can use map method. Map method take three arguments, three parameters. First is items, second index, and third with array. So let me give you an example. So first of all, we want to work with my array, so type here my array dot map. It will take a one callback, so click item, so my array dot items. Let me console.log return. If you use this return, means it will return one by one item, and let me store into this result variable, and let me console this result. Here you can see that one by one element will be print here. So the main difference of map method and for loop is for each loop doesn't return anything, but a map method will return value. So map method is very useful in React.js when while we fetching data from API in real world applications. So this is let me give you another example. Let me disable my copilot. So now see, now first of all we want to work with my array, so my array dot map, it will take one callback. So we can pass here three parameters. First is item, second is index, and third is array. So let me console all of the items using template string. So I am taking right here item is using $item, and index is $index, and our array is $array. So when we see output, here you can see that first time it will loop. So first time it will one print, second time two, third and fourth and fifth. It see here my array contain 5 different items, 1 2 3 4. So it one by one it display here. It also return anything. You can just type here return, because this array is returning something, so we can store in another variable. Let me store in result variable, const result, and let me console this result. So here you can see that we can see this type of interfaces. So the main map method is used to return something from array which we want to when we working on React.js, while we fetching data from API, we need this method. It is very important map method, so guys, you must know about it. So I hope you guys like this video.